Today we're focusing on one of the most eye-catching features of any home, your front stairs. The design of your main door front stairs is not just about function, it's about making a bold first impression. If you're looking to enhance your home's curb appeal, stay tuned as we explore unique front stair designs that will make your entrance unforgettable. First impressions matter, and your front stairs are one of the first things people see when they approach your home. Whether you prefer a sleek, modern look or a classic, grand entrance, the design of your stairs can instantly elevate your home's exterior. Let's dive into some modern front stair design ideas. Floating stairs with clean lines and minimal railings are a hot trend right now. Pairing these with materials like concrete or wood creates a contemporary feel, perfect for homes with minimalist architecture. For those who love a more classic and timeless look, consider wider stairs made from stone or brick. These materials exude elegance and can be paired with wrought iron railings for an old-world charm. Adding lush greenery on either side of the stairs can also give your home that grand, inviting appeal. Don't forget about the details. Lighting plays a key role in highlighting your stairs during the evening. LED lights under each step not only add safety but also give your entrance a sophisticated look. As for railings, whether you choose glass, metal, or wood, they can enhance the overall design and complement your home's style. That wraps up our tour of main door front stair designs. Whether you're modern, traditional, or somewhere in between, there's a stair design to match every home style. If you're inspired to upgrade your front entrance, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Corner Shake for more home decor tips and ideas. Comment below which stair design caught your eye, and we'll see you in the next video.